The Tórshavn Craftsmen Union was founded on February 2, 1950, after several young men who had studied to become craftsmen in Denmark decided there was a need for a union for skilled craftsmen. Today, with some 780 members, the union has grown to become one of the largest craftsmen unions in the country. Along with 4 other craftsmen guilds, the Tórshavn Craftsmen Union is a member of the National Craftsmen Union, which altogether has a membership of around 1,000. Our members work in nearly every region in the country, as well as in the offshore industry in Norway. The union has its own pension plan, which was established on the 29th of December 1999. Now, employers contribute some 15% of an employee's wages to the pension scheme. Our members also have comprehensive life insurance coverage. The union also provides professional advice and legal assistance if necessary. The union has entered into wage and benefits agreements with the House of Industry and the Faroe Ministry of Finance. Moreover, we have local agreements in place with various companies operating in the Norwegian offshore industry. The union is governed by a 5-member board of directors, and the annual general meeting is normally held in March. The chairman of the union is supported by a staff of 4.